Instead of fireworks, Thailand celebrates the New Year with squirt guns. To mark the Buddhist New Year, people get super soaked in a giant water fight. Sawadee ka! I'm Linda, and that's how you say hello in Thai. Well, that's how you say hello if you're a girl. Boys say hello a little differently. Rather than saying sawadee ka, you would say sawadee krap. It's also polite to bow when you say hello. This is called a Y. There are different bows that show different levels of respect. I can show you a Y that you can use while traveling in Thailand. Put your hands together at your chest, like this. Your thumb should be away from the rest of your fingers. Now bow your head till your nose hits your fingertips, like this. Let's try it with a greeting. Sawadee ka! Now you know a little Thai. Thailand is located in Southeast Asia. It's known for its beautiful beaches, temples, elephants, and taxis, which are called Tuk Tuks. Let's take a Tuk Tuk ride to our next destination. Tuk Tuks are colorful three-wheeled taxis that don't have doors. You'll find them all over Thailand. There's a driver's seat in the front and a bench in the back. Many drivers will negotiate the price of a ride, so you can get a better deal if you know how to drive a bargain. In Thailand, money is called baht. Each bill has a picture of the current Thai king. Thailand has what is called a constitutional monarchy. That means that the Thai king doesn't have full power over the government, but he does serve a very important role to the people. The king's birthday is a national holiday. Each year, there's a huge celebration around the Grand Palace in Bangkok, and everything is lit up in yellow. People even wear yellow. That's because the king was born on a Monday. And in Thailand, every day of the week corresponds to a color. I was born on a Monday, so my lucky color is yellow, just like the Thai king. You can find out your lucky color by asking your grown-up what day of the week you were born on. Color plays an important role in Buddhism, which is the most common religion in Thailand. All over the country, you'll find beautiful Buddhist temples. Some of them, like this one in northern Thailand, are hundreds of years old. To get to this sacred spot, you'll have to climb over 300 steps. Another sacred symbol in Thailand is the elephant. Asian elephants roam in the jungles in northern Thailand. Asian elephants are smaller than African elephants, and they tend to have a pinkish-brown patch on their head and trunk. On rare occasions, Asian elephants will be born almost entirely pink. These are known as white elephants, and they're considered a symbol of royalty. We definitely can't leave Thailand without checking out the coast. Thai beaches are some of the most beautiful in the world, with crystal clear water and white sand. There are also a bunch of islands just off the coast that you can only get to by boat. Once you get there, you can climb cliffs, explore caves, and maybe even see some monkeys. There's so much to love about Thailand's treasure trove of exciting sights. If you want to learn more about Thailand, make sure to check out KiwiCo's Atlas Crate line, designed in part by yours truly. With Atlas Crates, you'll learn about a different country each and every month. You'll get to know the culture with hands-on projects and taste the local food with a traditional recipe. Check out KiwiCo.com to get your crates and start exploring.